Get ready for a clever and eco-friendly cleaning hack using newspaper to clean your windows. First, roll up a sheet of newspaper into a ball. This unconventional tool will amaze you. Now, pour white vinegar into your sprayer. Vinegar is great for cutting through grime. Fill the rest with water. This vinegar-water mix is a powerful cleaner. Spray your window. A good, even coating does the trick. Take your newspaper and wipe the window in circular motions. Watch the dirt disappear. Check this out. The newspaper not only cleans, but also polishes, leaving no streaks behind. Just like that, clean, streak-free windows using newspaper and your homemade cleaner. Easy and green. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time.